What's up everybody, welcome back with my another video again. I have a digital photo frame here. Welcome you again in my tech series now. So I'm unboxing today digital photo frame. It's a no brand, I guess. It's made in China. Digital photo frame. We're gonna test out. We're gonna see what it's included inside a photograph. It tells a story. So we're gonna see the quality. We're gonna see everything that's inside the box. Okay, so this is the digital photo frame. Let's unbox and let's see what we have inside. This is a 7-inch digital photo frame. Okay. All right, so we have HD digital photo frame user manual here. So we have all the user guide here with all booklets. So it will show you how to install and everything. What are the buttons on the back, so you can enjoy your photos. You can keep your photos and everything. So it also has in Chinese language or Japanese language, probably there. This is Chinese language, but they also have a English language catalog here, manual, where you have a calendar, clock. You can play your slideshow. You can play your video. You can play your music. You can play your picture. Whatever comes in the memory card. So if there is no file, the photo frame will not play the file. So please insert the SDMC card correctly according to the direction icon besides the card slot. According to the description in the website, it also said that includes the USB port as well, so we're gonna check that out as well. Yeah, you can also play music here. I don't know the sound quality, but let's check that out. Okay, all right, let's see. So on the top we have the digital photo frame, and it's a 7-inch digital photo frame. Looks small. On the back, I'm gonna show you this in a bit, so let's see that. And there's a screw. Probably this is a stand for the frame. I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, I stand for the frame. All right, so that, and one remote control included, and there's a power adapter. That's all we have, nothing else in the box. So one photo frame, remote control, power adapter, and the stand screw right here. Alright, so let's check out. So on the back of the photo frame, it has the power button here, and the navigation button, play and pause button, and the menu button here. You can hang this on in your wall, and on the right side of the frame you have the memory card slot, headphone jack, USB port, and the micro USB port. Now this is mini USB. I have 5-pin port, that's what I'm going to say. You tell me what it is, okay? But this is like 5-pin port, and this is the power port. It's going to be DC port, yes. SD card, headphone jack, USB port, USB 5.5-pin port, yeah, and the power adapter. So on the other side, nothing. It's very light, not too heavy, and this thing will make your photo sits on your table. Or the other side, I think this is the best option to do it. Either you want to do a portrait or you want to do a landscape horizontal. I think this is the perfect way of doing, right? All right, so I'm gonna test this out. Let me try this. Let me insert the power cable, and I also have a couple pictures in my USB drive, so let's check that out. Okay, all right, so let's insert that jack on the DC cable, DC port, and let's power on from here. Oh, it's already turning on. All right, All right, let me show you over here. You have a calendar, you have setup. Is that touchscreen? It should be touchscreen, but it's not. Okay. That's so sad about this digital photo frame. I wish they have made this touchscreen. All right, so let's use the navigation tool from here. Probably this should be the OK sign, or you see that? Right, left, setup. So you can language, setup, slideshow time is 3 seconds, default, repeat mode, movie mode, photo, repeat sequence, random sequence, whatever you want to do it. Autoplay movie, if you have a movie it will autoplay itself. Video rate is full screen, original size 4:3, 16:9, full screen, screen full, so that's what I'm going to do it. Photo rate is original size, screen full, original size. So let's do original size. Photo rate we can also do screen full, but let's do original size. And the time, so time, I'm gonna have to set up a time. 2019, it's a September 22nd, 2019. Okay, that's gonna be 9 4 5 6 7 8, so it's gonna be 22nd. Okay, 22nd, and the current time is 11:10. 11. So the clicking noise really bothered me. It really bothers me, you know. Alright, so you also have an all-around, but I don't want to use that here. Power off, I think you can set the power off time, power on, factory default. Alright, so that's all, and let's go back, and there's another option, calendar. So you can also put this in your table like that. You have time, you have the auto-generated picture, and it's going to show you the calendar, the current month calendar, right? So I do have some pictures on my USB, so let's insert this and let's check it out how it's going to read over there. Okay, all right, let's see. I need to take this out, right? All right. All right, nothing, it's not reading anything, so let's go back. Okay, now you see there's another option came in. I think once you have an SD card, it's going to come up with a different option, but now you have a USB. So, all right, let me try now with the remote control. So let's take this strip out, and I can use, oh, this is working perfectly. So let me use USB instead of that clicking thing. I really like this now. Let's use photo. All right, there you go. So I uploaded a couple more pictures. The other pictures I uploaded did not work properly, so let me check this out. I think this is the sensor or infrared for the remote control. Yeah, let's make it, yeah, turn that on. Yeah, you can see the slideshow. It is moving slowly, right? It is clear though, it's not, it is high quality, HD quality. Yeah, my picture, you can see the picture here. It's really in high quality, right? Yep, this looks perfect. Okay, it's also playing music as well, so yeah, it does play music with the slideshow if you want to do that. You can go with photo, exit. See, it's going to be exit. Yep, that's all. If we go to setup, the slideshow time, slideshow is default. Let's see what option they have. Oh, it's just the I think there's a transition. Slide up, slide down, slide left. The remote control is not pretty I think stable. I don't know, it's I gotta click a couple times to see the changes on the tablet here. Alright, I will do random so that it will show in a different slideshow, right? Alright, what else? Sequence, full screen. Alright, that's all. So let's go back to photo immediately. There you go. So if you have a remote, it really works perfectly. You can see that, right? There you go, different transition. Pretty cool tablet, high quality, HD quality. The picture looks very good, and that's all. Nothing complicated. It's pretty simple. Nice screw stand here, right? So it's like perfect straight stand here. So it's really good. It's really good for your table, good for your wall, wherever you wanna keep these. All right, guys, that's all for today. I'm gonna come with another video again. I'm gonna bring you another video again. So that's all. If you like my video, please like, comment, and share my video. And if you're new to my channel, let's subscribe my channel, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, bye bye.